One of the most common questions I get is, what is the best way to add horsepower to my C5 Corvette? And the answer I always give is the same. How much horsepower are you looking to add? The reason it matters is because if you're just looking for 40 to 50 additional horsepower and you want to do it as cheap as possible, then bolt in a mild camshaft, a cold air intake, and a tune, and you're likely there. But if you're looking to add a whole lot of horsepower, say 200 plus more horsepower to the rear tires, then I would suggest skipping the performance cam route and going directly to a supercharger kit from A&A Corvette and never looking back. If you decide to go the supercharger route, your rear wheel horsepower is going to jump from around 300 at the rear tires to over 500, and that is a heck of a noticeable difference, and it's a lot more horsepower than you'd get over going the performance cam route. Now obviously going the supercharger route is going to cost more upfront over going the performance cam and cold air intake route. However, on a cost per horsepower basis, the supercharger route is actually quite a bit less expensive. The only problem is you got to buy all 200 plus horsepower at the same time. So how big of a difference is there really between these two setups? The answer is a lot. But rather than try to tell you about the difference, I thought it might be interesting to show you with a little demonstration instead. In this first video, the bigger part of the screen is the supercharged C5 Corvette. It's got a stock engine but is running larger fuel injectors and it's running on 97 octane fuel. The speedometer in your upper right-hand corner is from a cammed C5 Corvette, and in the first video you're about to see, the audio you'll be hearing is from the cammed engine. Both cars are certainly a heck of a lot of fun, but there's really no way around it. The supercharged C5 is going to set you back in your seat a heck of a lot harder. In the next video, everything is exactly the same, except for this time, I'm using the sound from the supercharged C5, and I think you'll agree you can definitely hear the difference in power. Now that you have a good idea of the difference in power between a cammed C5 and a supercharged C5, I think you'll agree if you're looking for maximum power, the choice is clear and the supercharger is the way to go. If you're interested in a supercharger kit for your C5 Corvette, give Josh a call at A&A Corvette. He seriously is as knowledgeable as they come. He'll be able to answer every single question that you have, and if you mention that Toys for Life sent you, he'll even knock $400 off the price. Now that is one heck of a deal.